Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm Daniel, and today we're gonna take apart this crock pot today. To save some time, it's already been open. Probably like cockroaches or spiders. So this is all the wires, all the dirt here. This is the on-off switch that turns on the crock pot. Yeah, nasty here. So all the dirt here, right here. This is what was in the base of it. So pretty much this is what's inside the crock pot. All the dirt here. There's all the wires that was inside that turns on the crock pot. Alright, so I'm outside. I'm gonna fling this up in the air. Who knows what's gonna happen, but we're gonna test it out, see what happens. Well, you can see what happened. Here's all these little wires that was around this crock pot. Looks like some of the screws did come out. That was holding it. Yeah, if you can see a good look right here. That was holding it. So that is what's inside a crock pot. If you like this video, please like the like button, or you can subscribe now today. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.